So this is a 5.3 liter V8 motor. I don't know how well it sounds. This is after it's been running for a while. I've had it out on the road today. I don't have anybody here. I would start it for you so you can hear that. It starts up great. You do occasionally get the lifter noise in this vehicle. That usually goes away after the first few minutes of driving. Close this. These are already pictures that you've already seen. Or at least let you see it best as we can here anyways. Okay, so looking at it from the inside, we're going to fire it up. Alright, everything will come online here. It's got good oil pressure. Voltage meters look good, everything looks good. Temperature looks good. It's got 242,543 miles. This vehicle does run great. I would have no problems taking this vehicle anywhere. So, as you can see, it does have cruise control. I don't really be able to see very well, but it's got multiple options for seating, memory seating, heated seating. It does have the rear air conditioning control. Oops, sorry, got my finger in the way. Rear air conditioning control on this unit. Full nav system, auto air conditioning, which is very nice. As you can see here, you have your four-wheel drive selection, auto four-wheel as well if you want it. I pretty much run it in two-wheel drive unless the weather's bad. It does have a full moonroof. As you can see, everything works there. Beautiful blue sky. No leaking from the sunroof. This is really a great vehicle. As you can see, it does have the full navigation system. It does work. Sometimes these navs can be a little finicky, but this one seems to work fairly well. It is definitely an older navigation system, but it still functions fine. You're able to put in your destination and it'll get you to where you need to go. It may not always be the most up-to-date map, so it might take you a little bit longer to get there or a different way than you're used to going. But overall, it has handled itself really well. Gone cross-country a couple times. So, as you can see, it does work.